Hey Samantha, thanks for your question. So your question is about left hand. Is it customary to play both the tone and the chord in the bass simultaneously, or is it better to keep the two separate? And then you give an example of this Polish-Russian tango. I'm just going to listen to it. So what this person is doing, great question. What this person is doing, they're doing this kind of rhythm where they're playing both the tone and the chord together. They're doing this kind of rhythm. In which case you play tone and chord together. I have a few examples on Accordion Love. I call it harmonium-like playing, where we do... where we play the G and the major together. Usually it's separate. There are a few different tango rhythms you can do. I'm going to use La Compresita just because people know it. We could do... together. It's okay to do it separately. You could do... So it's an alternate bass technique. On Accordion Love, I call it Middle Eastern klezmer rhythm because it's the same thing that we use in klezmer. Tone, bass, tone, right? I find that when we do it together, it's a bit more sparse and separated versus da 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 ba 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 versus it's up to you to use a combination of those. I like a combination. Your other question, you struggle with reading bass notes in the sheet music because I never fully learned the bass clef. Me neither. In general, I'll link you to some videos about how to play the left-hand side. In general, it doesn't matter what's written on the left. In general, we have 4 or 5 rhythms. It could be a waltz. It could be a march or a polka. Or it could be that Middle Eastern klezmer tango rhythm. And it's up to you how you play around with it. So I don't care that it's written D, D minor, A, D minor. I know it like this. And then I know how to go to the G minor using creative methods of walk-up bass technique. Yeah, I hope that answers your question. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks, Samantha.